closer to a gas-free future. The Chevrolet Volt, 2011 Motor Trend Car of the Year. The 2011 Chevrolet Volt is the world's first electric vehicle with extended range capability. Powered by GM's revolutionary Voltec propulsion system, Volt features a 16-kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack and innovative electric drive unit that provides an initial range of 35 miles on a single charge. Once the battery is depleted, Volt seamlessly switches to its gas-powered generator to generate the electricity for up to 340 additional miles on a full tank of gas. Designed, engineered, built, and delivered to customers in 29 months, we invite you to experience for yourself how the advanced technology inside the Volt is moving us closer to a gas-free future. The Chevrolet Volt, 2011 Motor Trend Car of the Year. The electrification of the automobile is now a reality in the 2011 Chevrolet Volt. At the heart of Chevrolet's revolutionary Voltec propulsion system is a 16-kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack that is fully integrated into the structure of the vehicle. The main purpose of the battery is the transfer of DC energy through the use of high-voltage cables from the battery to the power inverter. The 12-volt system loads within the Volt are also getting support from the battery through the vehicle's accessory power module. Additionally, the Voltec propulsion system features an onboard charge module that allows for the transfer of household AC power into the battery using the vehicle's charge port. As this process is taking place, the system is also being continuously monitored for any isolation and conductivity concerns. Let's take a closer look at the battery pack. The battery pack is an enclosed subsystem. It consists of multiple modules and vehicle connections that have been localized in one area. Contactors, laminated bus bars, and a service disconnect allow for high voltage distribution of all 96 cell groups. Each of the Volt's more than 200 cells is a building block within the battery pack. The lithium-ion pouch cells have 2 tabs for connection, and within the pouch, the cathode is separated from the anode by a ceramic SRS layer. This provides the medium needed to transfer the electric charge between the two, as the electrolyte allows the ions to migrate to the anode as the battery charges. When energy is discharged from the battery, the process is reversed. Now the electrons flow through the load, and the ions will move from the anode and collect on the cathode. Each cell within the Volt's battery pack shares a liquid cooling fin with its neighboring cell, allowing the coolant to address a large surface area while minimizing the amount of air that can be trapped. As the battery is assembled, an integral manifold is included. This will allow the coolant to pass from the passenger side of the vehicle into all the fins and address all cells in a parallel sweep. This also allows for a low pressure drop. If necessary, the coolant can also be preconditioned by the inline heater, as any radiated heat from the cell groups is then transferred to the battery thermal system. The battery thermal system features multiple temperature sensors for closed-loop operation. Anytime during battery operation, the cells can be actively balanced to provide a uniform charge distribution. The Volt features onboard diagnostics to ensure safety during all driving modes of operation. Charging the Volt is easy. Just insert the charge coupler into the charge port, and the system will convert this AC energy into potential usable DC power. The Volt's battery can handle extreme hot and cold temperatures. The battery's liquid-cooled system keeps the temperature at an optimal state and ensures longevity. Once charging is complete, this stored energy can now be transferred to the road through the Voltec propulsion system. As you apply the brakes, the Volt's regenerative braking capability returns energy to the battery, as well as other high-voltage loads. Best of all, when the state of charge approaches the 30% level, the Volt's 1.4-liter range-extending engine will quietly engage to allow you to continue driving for hundreds of additional miles using electric power until you can either charge the battery or fill up with gasoline. The 2011 Chevrolet Volt, the world's first electric vehicle with extended range capability.